Hi guys, welcome to HowToPedia. Today I am going to show you three master tools for Facebook that will be very useful in your social life. Number one, how to accept or reject all friends in just a single click. Number two, send messages to all Facebook friend in just a single click. How to send friend request to multiple people in just a single click. Okay, so first of all, you have to download an extension for Google Chrome browser. I already installed that. So let's go to start. Okay. Now click that extension. Here is the extension toolkit for Facebook. Click here. Okay. Now number one, how to accept or reject all friends in just single click. Here is the uh, extension toolkit for Facebook, and this option you have to choose accept or reject all friend requests. This tool will allow you to accept or reject multiple Facebook friend requests. Click start tool button. Okay. Uh, you see here are already 20 friend requests already I have. You just accept all friends in just single click. Here, select time interval between clicks. You can select just 1 second and enable auto scroll down. Just click here. Now, what will you do? If you want to accept all friend request, then click accept all. If you want to delete all friend request, then you click reject all. Now I am going to accept all friend request. So I'm going to click accept all. Okay. You see, click. And you said confirm button is clicked. Okay, all friend request is accepted. Okay, finished. All friend requests are accepted. If you want to delete all friend requests, then you just click reject all. But already all my friends are accepted. Now, second tips: how to send friend request to multiple people in just a single click. This is the option. Click all add friend buttons. That means this tool will allow you to send friend request to multiple people. Just click here, start tool, enter URL to start, click all add friends buttons tool. Enter URL where you want to start this tool. Okay, that means you have to write here friends FRIENDS / request REQUESTS. Okay, then click start. Okay, here is the option. Now I am going to click wall add friend buttons. Here is the confirm button, but need this, but I need from here. People you may know, that means I want to add friend. I want to add friend these profiles. Okay, no problem. Here is the some tips. Select time interval between request. 4 seconds, no need. 1 seconds. Enable auto scroll down. Okay, no problem. Enable auto press confirm buttons. Obviously, auto press close buttons. Obviously. Okay. Now start clicking algorithm 1 style or start clicking algorithm 2. You can choose both, or 1 or 2. You, which one you love. Okay. Now I want to start clicking algorithm 1. Okay. You see, add friend button clicked. Yeah. Add friend button is clicked. Okay. Now I'm going to show you third master tools that is very important for your social life. When you want to send message to your wall Facebook friends, then this tool will be useful very much. That is how to send messages to all Facebook friends in just a single click. Okay, let's go. What is the process here? Send messages to multiple all Facebook friends. That means this tool will allow you to send messages to multiple or all Facebook friends. Just click here. Okay, this is the place. Write messages that you want to send to your selected friends. Okay, message suppose, hi dear friends, FRIEND. Hi dear friends, how are you? And time interval, obviously 1 second or 2 seconds or 3 seconds. You can choose as you wish. Okay, select 2 seconds. Now these are my friends. Okay, select all friends. Click select all friends. Okay, now start sending messages. When I click, when I will click start sending messages, and this message will be sent to my all friends. Just start sending messages. Click. Okay. Message is sent. Message is sent. Message is sent. Okay. Okay. Now let's go to check. Close the tools and delete from the page. Okay. Let's go to inbox. Here you see, hi dear friends, how are you? 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 Okay. This is the master three master tools for Facebook that will be very useful in your social life. Hey friends, already you informed the process. Now I am going to uh, show you how to install the extension for Google Chrome browser. Just go to Google URL, just type toolkit for Facebook. Here is the extension toolkit for Facebook. Click here. Add to Chrome. Add extension. You see, it's downloading. Go to settings option of Google Chrome. Okay, already toolkit for Facebook has been added to Chrome. Okay, here is the toolkit for Facebook extension. Just click here and you will see lots of functions of this extension. Okay, thank you guys. Okay guys, the new friends who are watching my tutorial, please do not go without click subscribe button and make sure that click on the notification bell so that when I will upload any video or tutorial, you will be notified immediately from this notification bell. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much and wait for my next video.